Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video we will cover reflexive pronouns. So now this topic will be divided into two parts. So this will be part first of reflexive pronouns where I'll explain you the basic meaning of reflexive pronouns, and in the next video I'm going to explain you its advanced points. Now without any further ado or delay, let's get started. What are reflexive pronouns? Reflexive pronouns are objective forms that reflects the subject of the sentence. So therefore it is used as the receiver of an action. So it is used in the position of an object in the sentence. Therefore it has objective forms. A reflexive pronoun is a pronoun which is used as an object, that is receiver of the action, and it refers back to the subject of a sentence. Okay, so it takes the place of a subject pronoun and an object pronoun in the sentence. Okay, so therefore we form reflexive pronouns by adding self and selves to my, our, your, him, her, it and them, and finally we get the result such as myself, ourselves. Now it cannot be ourself, that will be wrong. It is ourselves because that is a plural pronoun, right? Next is yourself when you refer to one person, but when you refer to more than one, you'll speak yourselves. Similarly, himself, herself, itself, and then again themselves. So why themselves? Because it is a plural pronoun, right? It is a plural pronoun, so they are plural objective pronoun. So therefore when it is plural, you will not add self but selves. I hope you understood the logic behind using ourselves, yourselves and themselves. Reflexive pronouns are used when the doer of an action, that is the subject, and its receiver, that's the object, refer to the same person or thing. If you will have a look at these examples there, the first one is Sumi saw Sumi in the mirror. Two nouns used here refer to the same person. Okay, Sumi saw herself in the mirror. You can see in the image Sumi is seeing herself in the mirror. So here we have replaced the objective noun Sumi to a reflexive pronoun herself, right? When the action is done by the subject and therefore is also received by subject, in that situation we use reflexive pronouns. Okay, the action or the consequences is done by the doer of the action, subject, and it is received by that same person or thing in the objective form. Have a look at this picture here, okay, where you see a girl who is quarreling with herself in front of the mirror, right? So let's read this example. She blamed herself for the miseries. She blamed herself for the miseries. So here she, okay, is the doer of the action, subject, and the action of blaming is received by herself, that is object. So the subject and the object refers to the same person, that's the girl in the picture, right? So the same person is blaming, right? The same person is blaming as well as receiving the blame. So something that's done by herself and is done to herself, that is the blame is going subjectively, the action is done subjectively, and it is received by objectively by that same person or thing that is referred to. So yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press that bell icon so that you can get regular updates of the videos that I upload. The next video will be on the advanced points related to reflexive pronouns. So stay tuned on my channel, keep learning and keep growing.